Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video I have my updated everyday no makeup look. It's very easy, less time consuming. It will only take you 5 to 6 minutes to do this makeup look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So yeah, I'll start with spraying this CAUDALIE Beauty Elixir all over my face. I've already moisturized and I've already applied my sun protection. Never skip on that, guys, especially in summer. For the brows, taking this Anastasia brow wiz, I'm going to fill in my brows just a little bit, nothing too crazy, just to define them a little bit. So yeah, just doing that. We're not going to use any foundation or BB cream or CC cream and nothing like that. We are only going to conceal the areas where we need to conceal. So taking this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm only going to apply to the areas where I need to conceal, which is under my eyes, a little bit on my mouth area, and a little bit on my forehead. And also I've been loving this Morphe sponge. This one is so good, you guys. It is not as soft as the Real Techniques one, but the Real Techniques one gets ripped off easily. This one is so long lasting, and I especially love the design and the cut of this sponge. It just makes the whole process so much easier. So I've been loving this Morphe sponge. I just use it for everything, for my foundation, for my powder, for my cream contour. It just makes the blending process so much easier. After all the areas where we needed to conceal are nicely concealed, I'm going to take a very mild powder just to set the concealer in place. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Universal Powder. I'm only going to dab a little bit. So the main part of my updated makeup routine these days is this one, the Benefit Lip Tint. I've been loving using this lip tint as my blush. I just love how this makes my cheeks look naturally plumped, naturally. It just adds that natural color to your face. And also at the same time, I like to go with powder blushes on top of that. Not the pinky one. I prefer going with more peachy blushes just to get that even more natural look. And I'm also going to give a little bit color to my eyelids as well. So I'm using that same blusher, the powder one that I used before. That one was from Tarte, and I will put the shade in the description box below. So just randomly applying it all over my eyelids and a little bit on the lower lash line area just to balance out the face. So for the mascara, I'm using this one. This one is again from Tarte. I don't remember the name, but any mascara will do. Remember, you guys, for that no makeup look, your lashes is the key, because we are not doing anything over the top with the face. Everything is just neutral. So you have to make sure that you coat your lashes really nicely with really good mascara. For the highlighting part, we are not using any powder highlighter because that might look a little bit too intense for this no makeup look. So we are only using liquid highlighter. I'm using this one. This one is MAC Strobe Cream, but you can use any liquid highlighter you have. Just apply it to the high points of your face and take your beauty blender and just blend it and make it look smooth. You just have to look like you're naturally glowing. So just do that. Lastly, for the lips, I'm using this NYX lip liner. This one is in the shade called BREW. I'm just lining my lips with it. And for the actual lipstick, I'm using this the BALM Cosmetic liquid lipstick in the shade called Committed. Just filling my lips with it. taking one tissue paper, I'm going to take the excess lipstick that I have on my lips. So yeah, that is all for this really quick 5-minute makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.